Right, so what I'm going to go over in this one is the surface area of cubes and cuboids. Both very, very similar. So, surface area of a cube measuring 5 centimeters side and length. So, surface area means the area of the entire outside. So, if we have a cube, little something like that, although I know that's not perfectly drawn. Surface area cube means the surface area of that side, that side, that side, and all the ones that you can't see. Okay, so if we've got everything measuring 5 centimeters, going that way is 5 centimeters, going that way is 5 centimeters, and going this way is 5 centimeters. Okay, all those dimensions are 5 centimeters. So makes it quite easy for us if it is a cube. Now, to find out the area of just this square here, not the entire thing, just this square here, is 5 times 5. Okay, base times height, find out the area of that square. So 5 times 5 is 25. But this is a cube. Every single one of these sides is exactly the same. So I have 6 of this square. So one side is 5 times 5, but I have 6 sides, so I have to do 6 times 25, which is 150 centimeters squared. So surface area of a cube is quite straightforward. You find the area of one side, and to calculate the surface area of the entire cube, you times that one side by 6. Okay, so surface area of a cube measuring 5 centimeters in side length. All the sides are exactly the same. You calculate the area of one side and times that by 6 because there's 6 sides. Okay. Now moving on to calculate the surface area of a cuboid, it's a tiny bit different. So I'm gonna do this in a few kind of different colours. So we do it in a similar kind of way, but obviously we've got differing lengths. So I'll start off with this side here. So to calculate the area of this side is 9 times 4. So the area of that rectangle is 9 times 4. However, it's not just that rectangle. That rectangle there is exactly the same as the one that is on this side. You just can't see it. But the one on this side here. Okay? So it's that side, but there's 2 of them. Okay? So the area of those two are 9 times 4, which is 36, times 2 is 72 meters squared. So that's those two. Now, if I do this side, okay, the base of this is 5, the height of it is 9, but it's not just this side. It's the one around the back as well. So it's 5 times 9, and there's 2 of them. Okay? 5 times 9 is 45, times 2 is 90 meters squared. Okay? Now we've got one last side that we can see, and that's that one there. So to calculate the area of that one there, we've got this dimension and this dimension, which would be 4 times 5. 9 has no bearing on that one at all. So we've got 4 times 5. Now that's just the top. We've also got the one at the bottom. So again, that is going to get multiplied by 2. So 4 times 5 is 20, times 2 is 40 meters squared. So I've calculated the area of every single one of them. Okay, so this is, we'll say, sides. This is also sides. And this is top and bottom. Okay? You could label one front and back, whatever helps you. Okay? So to get the surface area, or the SA as I like to call it, to get the surface area, we add all of these together. So 72, add 90, add 40. 90 add 40 is 130. 130 add 70 is 200. Plus the 2, so we get 202 meters squared. Okay, So this is the way you're going to have to do the vast majority of those questions on Hegarty. Okay. Find the area of one side, but there's going to be another side that's the same. So remember to do it by 2. Okay. The area of this side here, 5 times 9, because 9 is the height of it. Then there's also the side on the other, around the back, that you can't see. Okay. So 5 times 9 by 2 for that one, and the top and the bottom, 4 by 5, and times it by 2. Okay. Any questions, always just message me, and good luck.